Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find Roblox gift card code on Amazon. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or go to amazon.com and make sure you're logged into the same account you used to buy the gift card. Now tap the profile icon, then tap your orders. This will show all your past purchases. Look for the item called Roblox Digital Gift Card or Roblox e-gift card, then tap on it. After opening the order, scroll down and you'll see View Gift Card Code or go to your Games and Software library. Your Roblox PIN, then claim code will appear on the screen. And after that, Amazon also sends the code to the email linked to your account. Then search your inbox for Roblox gift card or Amazon gift card delivery. Then go to roblox.com/redeem. Then enter the PIN, then click redeem. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.